Take a moment and really look at the phone in your hand. It might seem like just another everyday device, something you use to text friends, scroll through social media, or snap a quick photo. But beneath that familiar screen lies a world of untapped potential and hidden capabilities that most people never even realize exist. Your smartphone is so much more than just a camera or a gaming console. In fact, it can transform into a powerful hacking tool, no root access required. With the right apps, you can unlock features that let you analyze networks, test security, and explore the digital world in ways you never imagined. Today, we're going to take a closer look at 14 Android hacking apps that work straight out of the box. You don't need to be a tech genius or modify your device. These tools are accessible to anyone curious about cybersecurity or digital exploration. Remember, this video is created strictly for educational and ethical purposes. The goal here is to empower you with knowledge so you can learn, experiment, and ultimately protect yourself and others. Never use these tools to harm or invade someone's privacy. Think of this as digital self-defense. By understanding how vulnerabilities work, you'll be better equipped to secure your own networks and devices, keeping your personal information safe from threats. Are you ready to discover what your phone is truly capable of? Let's dive in and unlock the hidden power in your pocket. First up, let's talk about NetHunter Rootless, a powerful tool developed by the creators of Kali Linux, the world-renowned penetration testing platform. NetHunter Rootless is designed specifically for Android users who want to explore ethical hacking and cybersecurity, but don't want to root their devices or risk voiding their warranty. With NetHunter Rootless, you get access to a complete Kali command line interface right on your phone, along with hundreds of pre-installed security tools. This means you can perform advanced penetration testing, digital forensics, and network analysis, all from the palm of your hand without needing a laptop or desktop. You can easily run network scans, perform vulnerability assessments, and even launch a full graphical Kali desktop environment using VNC. This allows you to use familiar Linux tools and interfaces, making your mobile device a true portable hacking lab. Getting started is straightforward. Just download the NetHunter Store app, follow the simple setup process to configure your Kali environment, and you'll be ready to dive into hands-on cybersecurity tasks in minutes. With NetHunter Rootless, your Android phone transforms into an industry-standard toolkit, giving you the flexibility to learn, practice, and experiment with cybersecurity techniques wherever you are. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about ethical hacking, NetHunter Rootless makes advanced cybersecurity tools accessible to everyone, regardless of experience level. It's like having a classroom and a fully equipped cybersecurity lab, all conveniently packed into your phone, ready to use anytime, anywhere. Next is zANTI, the user-friendly network analysis toolkit from Zimperium. With a tap, it maps your Wi-Fi network, showing every connected device and their details. It simulates attacks like man-in-the-middle and checks for vulnerabilities, generating clear security reports. zANTI is invaluable for quickly assessing your own network security. Its intuitive interface makes complex tasks simple, even for beginners. Remember, use it only on networks you own or have permission to test. Hackode is often called the ethical hacker's Swiss Army knife, and for good reason. It's a versatile collection of essential tools designed specifically for reconnaissance and scanning, all packed into a single, easy-to-use app. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cybersecurity enthusiast, Hackode provides a convenient way to access powerful utilities right from your Android device. With features like Google Dorking, Ping, TracerRoute, and DNS lookups, you can quickly gather information about networks and websites, making it ideal for both learning and real-world testing. The built-in port scanner lets you identify open ports on any target, helping you assess vulnerabilities and understand network configurations, all within seconds. Plus, Hackode keeps you informed with its security feed module, delivering the latest cybersecurity news, updates, and exploits directly to your fingertips. The app is lightweight and incredibly fast. Just open it, select the tool you need, and get instant results without any complicated setup or waiting. Hackode is perfect for anyone looking to learn the basics of penetration testing, offering a hands-on approach to understanding how real-world attacks and defenses work. There's no need to set up a full hacking environment. Just pick the tool you want and start exploring different modules right from your phone. Hackode is a practical, accessible way to build and sharpen your cybersecurity skills, making it a must-have app for anyone interested in ethical hacking or network security. cSploit is the advanced, open-source cousin to zANTI, offering deep control for network mapping and vulnerability scanning. Select a target device and run operations like finding vulnerabilities, cracking Wi-Fi passwords, or hijacking sessions. It integrates the Metasploit framework for a vast library of exploits. cSploit's Session Hijacker demonstrates the importance of HTTPS firsthand. As an open-source platform, you can add your own modules and scripts as you learn. It's a serious tool for those ready to go deeper into network security. DroidSheep specializes in session hijacking on open Wi-Fi networks. It captures unencrypted session cookies, letting you see how easily accounts can be compromised. Most major sites use HTTPS now, but many smaller ones don't. DroidSheep exposes these risks. Use it only on your own networks to identify vulnerabilities. It's a powerful way to demonstrate why encryption and VPNs matter. Seeing your own session hijacked is a lesson you won't forget. WiFi WPS WPA Tester checks if your router is vulnerable to WPS pin attacks. It scans for networks with WPS enabled and tries default or brute-forced pins to gain access. If it connects, your network is at risk. Disable WPS immediately. The app also provides info on nearby Wi-Fi networks and their security. It's a must-have for auditing your home Wi-Fi. Don't use it on networks you don't own. One simple test can dramatically improve your security. Fing is the go-to app for network scanning and device discovery. It quickly lists every device on your Wi-Fi, identifying them by type and brand. Fing includes port scanning, ping, traceroute, and security alerts for new devices. It's perfect for spotting intruders and checking your network's health. Fing bridges the gap between consumer utility and professional reconnaissance. Before testing for vulnerabilities, always start with a map. Fing gives you that. Network Mapper brings the power of Nmap to Android. Run detailed scans, SYN, UDP, OS detection, and more, right from your phone. Customize scan parameters and get raw, detailed results for open ports and services. It's ideal for practicing scanning techniques on the go. While it requires some technical know-how, it's invaluable for serious learners. Network Mapper is your mobile gateway to professional-grade reconnaissance. AndroRAT is a remote administration tool for Android, showing just how much control a malicious app could have. Test it on your own devices to see what data, contacts, messages, location, even microphone and camera can be accessed. It's a stark reminder to install apps only from trusted sources and review permissions. AndroRAT is a powerful educational tool for understanding mobile threats. Use it in a controlled environment to reinforce good security habits. Seeing the risks firsthand makes the lessons stick. Termux is a Linux terminal emulator for Android, unlocking a world of command line tools. Install programming languages, text editors, and security tools like Nmap or SQLmap, all without root. Termux turns your phone into a pocket-sized Linux machine for research and learning. The learning curve is steeper, but the flexibility is unmatched. It's the foundation for advanced hacking platforms like NetHunter. If you're serious about cybersecurity, mastering Termux is essential. It's the ultimate playground for ethical hackers. Packet Capture lets you see all the data flowing in and out of your phone by setting up a local VPN. Analyze which apps are sending what data, and inspect both unencrypted and encrypted traffic. It's a fantastic way to learn about web protocols and spot apps leaking sensitive info. For researchers and privacy advocates, it's an essential tool. Use it to understand the hidden world of network traffic. Seeing raw data in action deepens your appreciation for encryption. FaceNiff is another session hijacking tool, targeting social media and popular web services on open Wi-Fi. It captures session cookies and lets you take over accounts on sites without proper encryption. Its power is limited by HTTPS, but it's still effective on misconfigured networks. Use FaceNiff only on your own accounts and networks for education. It's a vivid demonstration of why VPNs and secure connections are vital. The lesson: never trust open Wi-Fi with your sensitive data. USB Cleaver demonstrates the risks of physical access attacks. Plug your phone into a Windows PC and it can silently extract passwords, Wi-Fi keys, and more. It's a powerful way to show why you should never plug untrusted devices into your computer. Use it in a controlled environment to understand physical security threats. The lesson: physical access equals total access. Protect your devices. Even a quick connection can lead to major data loss. DriveDroid turns your Android phone into a bootable USB drive for any PC. Store and boot ISO images, like Kali Linux or Rescue disks, directly from your phone. It's perfect for running live sessions, repairs, or forensic analysis on the go. No more carrying multiple USB sticks. your phone is your universal boot key. DriveDroid is a must-have for IT pros and security enthusiasts. It's unmatched in utility and convenience. 14 powerful Android apps, no root required, can turn your phone into a security testing powerhouse. Use them to learn, secure, and defend, not to attack. With great power comes great responsibility. Always act ethically and legally. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and let me know which app surprised you most. Stay curious, stay safe, and keep learning. See you in the next one.